Hello friends, today I will be showing you the 5-pot method for purifying drinking water. In this method, there are 5 copper pots. These are basically copper pots, but they are painted from outside so that they will not corrode. The very first thing you have to do is make 3 holes at the bottom. They can be made by a nail and a hammer. Just at 3 places you have to make small holes. These pots are actually already made and are in use, but this is a demo just to show you. They are pin holes, very small holes, and you can check it by pouring water. Just put some water in it. It should trickle down. This is the size of holes you have to make. And then the bottommost pot will not have any holes, but there is a water tap connected, soldered to it. And in this bottommost pot, put a silver vessel or a silver coin. In the second last one, we have to put sand. Sand will filter out any small particles which are there in the water. It is normal river sand, but very fine sand. It can be yellow sand or grey sand. It should be washed before putting it in the pot. Pot should be filled up completely up to the top. Pots are painted from outside so that they will not corrode. We can put a clear varnish or oil paint from outside. Corrosion on inside is actually useful. The copper which gets corroded gets added into the water, and that is the minerals what we need. Now the pot which will go above this will have limestone or marble chips. They are pieces of marble chips. This is similar to water coming down from the mountains. When it is flowing in the stream, it will hit the rocks and it will absorb minerals from the rock. Above this is the pot which is filled with coconut shell charcoal. This is charcoal made by burning the coconut hard shell. This is the removing E. coli bacteria. Marble chips are adding minerals. Sand is removing dust particles. Silver is killing viruses and bacteria in the water. Thus, as the water passes down, it is getting cured. The top one will remain empty. This is for filling up the water. It should be filled up to the top. Holes should be of such a size that water percolates down in about 1 hour, and the water in the bottom pot should remain there for at least 1 hour before you open the tap and collect it for consuming. From here, water can be kept in an earthen pot for cooling down. The material which is stored inside has to be removed once in a year, wash it with water and fill it up again. This filter does not require any power, no electricity, and no water is wasted like in the existing RO water filter. Nearly 30 to 40% of water is just wasted, and all the required minerals which are present in the water are removed by the UV filter and the RO filter. while this filter is adding the minerals, or the minerals which are present in the water, useful minerals are not removed. You can put rainwater in this, you can put the local city supply water into this and get pure water within 2 hours.